In today's time, everyone wants to earn more and more money because only with money anyone can fulfill their dreams. And because of this, it can also be said that there is a race to earn money. But in this race, some people have gone so far that it seems difficult to match them. So guys, welcome to our channel Luxury Globe, and today we are going to talk about 10 such people who are the richest in 2021. So do not go anywhere and watch this video till end. Let's start without wasting time. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, then do it and also turn on the bell icon so you will never miss the new update. Number 10. Larry Ellison. Lawrence Joseph Ellison has born on 17th August 1944 in New York City, US. As of September 2021, he was listed by Bloomberg Billionaires Index as the 10th wealthiest person in the world with a fortune of $103 billion. He is an American businessman and investor who is the co-founder, executive chairman, chief technology officer, CTO, and former chief executive officer, CEO of Oracle Corporation. He is also the owner of the 41st largest island in the United States, Lanai in the Hawaiian Islands, with a population of just over 3,000. Number 9. Warren Buffett. Warren Edward Buffett has born on 30th August 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska, US. He has a net worth of over $104.4 billion as of September 2021, making him the world's 9th wealthiest person. He is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is currently the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He is considered one of the most successful investors in the world. Number 8. Steve Ballmer. Stephen Anthony Ballmer has born on 24th March 1956 in Detroit, Michigan, US. As of September 2021, Bloomberg Billionaires Index estimates his personal wealth at $108.5 billion, ranking him as the 8th richest person in the world. He is an American businessman and investor who served as the Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft from 2000 to 2014. He is the current owner of the Los Angeles Clippers of the National Basketball Association (NBA). Ballmer was hired by Bill Gates at Microsoft in 1980 and subsequently left the MBA program at Stanford University. He eventually became president in 1998 and replaced Gates as CEO on January 13, 2000. On February 4, 2014, Ballmer retired as CEO and was replaced by Satya Nadella. Ballmer remained on Microsoft's board of directors until August 19, 2014, when he left to prepare for teaching a new class. Number 7. Sergey Brin. Sergey Mikhailovich Brin has born on 21st August 1973 in Moscow, Russian SFSR, Soviet Union. As of September 2021, Brin is the 7th richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $124 billion. He is an American business magnate, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. Together with Larry Page, he co-founded Google. Brin was the president of Google's parent company, Alphabet Incorporated, until stepping down from the role on December 3, 2019. He and Page remain at Alphabet as co-founders, controlling shareholders, board members, and employees. Number 6. Larry Page. Lawrence Edward Page has born on 26th March 1973 in Lansing, Michigan, US. According to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, as of September 2021, Larry Page has a net worth of approximately $128 billion, making him the 6th wealthiest person in the world. He is an American business magnate, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. He is the best known as one of the co-founders of Google along with Sergey Brin. Page was the chief executive officer of Google from 1997 until August 2001, stepping down in favor of Eric Schmidt. Then from April 2011 until July 2015, when he moved to become CEO of Alphabet Incorporated, created to deliver major advancements as Google's parent company. a post he held until December 4, 2019. He remains an Alphabet board member, employee and controlling shareholder. Number 5. Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg has born on 14th May 1984 in White Plains, New York, US. As of September 2021, Zuckerberg's net worth is $140 billion, making him the fifth richest person in the world. He is an American media magnate, internet entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He is known for co-founding Facebook Incorporated and serves as its chairman, chief executive officer, and controlling shareholder. He is also a co-founder of the Solar Sail spacecraft development project Breakthrough Starshot and serves as one of its board members. Zuckerberg attended Harvard University, where he launched the Facebook social networking service from his dormitory room on February 4, 2004 with college roommates. Originally launched to select college campuses, the site expanded rapidly and eventually beyond colleges, reaching 1 billion users by 2012. Zuckerberg took the company public in May 2012 with majority shares. In 2007, at age 23, he became the world's youngest self-made billionaire. Number 4. Bill Gates. William Henry Gates has born on 28 October 1955 in Seattle, Washington, US. His net worth is $154 billion. He is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. He is a co-founder of Microsoft Corporation along with his late childhood friend Paul Allen. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the position of Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, President, and Chief Software Architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. He considered one of the best-known entrepreneurs of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. Number 3. Bernard Arnault. Bernard Jean Arnault has born on 5th March 1949 in Roubaix, France. Arnault is the third richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $181.4 billion as of September 2021. He is a French investor, businessman, and art collector. He is the chairman and chief executive of LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, the world's largest luxury goods company. Arnault began his career in 1971 at Ferret Savinel and was its president from 1978 to 1984. Number 2. Jeff Bezos. Jeffrey Preston Bezos has born on 12 January 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, US, and raised in Houston and Miami. Bezos graduated from Princeton University in 1986. His net worth is almost $200.1 billion as of September 2021. He is an American entrepreneur, media proprietor, investor, computer engineer. He is the founder and executive chairman of Amazon, where he previously served as the chairman, president, and CEO. He holds a degree in electrical engineering and computer science. He founded Amazon in late 1994 on a cross-country road trip from New York City to Seattle. The company began as an online bookstore, and we all know that what is Amazon company now. Number 1. Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk has born on 20th June 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. His net worth is $204 billion as of September 2021. He is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the co-founder, CEO, chief engineer at SpaceX, early stage investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporated, also founder of the Boring Company and co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. Do you like this video? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So, bye and see you in the next video.